Right now, your body might be doing something scientists still can't explain. Not in a decade, not with a microscope, not even with AI. Number 1. Your DNA might be changing right now. You think your DNA is set, like a locked-in blueprint, right? But science says, not exactly. There's growing evidence that parts of your DNA can change while you're alive, and no one fully understands how far it goes. It's called epigenetics, where stress, trauma, diet, or even thoughts might flip genetic switches on or off. And here's the freaky part. You could pass those changes down to your kids without changing the DNA code itself. It's like your body's running a program you didn't code, a program that updates itself, sometimes for survival, sometimes from fear, and sometimes just because something happened to your ancestors a long time ago. Science is still playing catch-up on this one. You might not just inherit eye color, you might inherit emotions, fears, even memories. Number 2. That feeling you're being watched. You're walking alone. Nothing's there, no sound, no footsteps, but you feel it, like someone's eyes are locked on you. Here's the twist. Science has tested this, and people actually detect being watched more often than chance. But no one fully knows how. It's not sight. It's not hearing. Some think it's a survival instinct left over from when predators stalked us. Others think your brain picks up on micro-movements, like a sixth sense you don't realize you have. But in some studies, people sense being watched even when no one's in the room. Is it intuition, random paranoia, or does your body have a hidden radar we haven't figured out yet? Number 3. Seeing faces that aren't there. Ever looked at a power outlet and thought, why does it look kinda sad? Or seen a face in the clouds, a potato, or the front of a car? That's pareidolia, your brain's weird habit of spotting faces everywhere. The freaky part? Scientists still don't fully know why we do it. Sure, it might be evolution. Back in the day, spotting a face in the bushes could save your life. Better to mistake a tree for a tiger than miss a real one. But here's what they don't get. Why do we keep seeing faces in objects that clearly aren't faces? Toasters? Plug sockets? Burnt toast? Your brain sees eyes, and boom, instant personality. And sometimes, those faces don't even look human. They're warped, stretched, smiling when they shouldn't be. Like your mind is reaching into the uncanny valley, just for fun. Number 4. The why did I just shiver? Mystery. You're standing in line, not cold, not scared. Then suddenly, shiver, head to toe, like your spine just got hacked by a ghost. People call it a pea shiver, or just a random chill. But here's the weird thing. Science still doesn't know exactly why it happens. One idea? It's your nervous system doing a quick reset, like your brain hit Control-Alt-Delete for your spine. Another theory says it's emotional, your body reacting to a sudden shift in mood, even if you didn't feel it happening. Some say it's connected to your primal instincts. Back when danger could jump out of a bush, your body used shivers to stay alert, like a prehistoric alarm system. Whatever the cause, it happens to almost everyone. No warning, no reason. Just a glitch in the system that makes you wonder, what did my body just feel that I didn't? Number 5. Brain zap, and no one knows why. You're falling asleep. Everything's chill. Then suddenly, pop! It feels like a firework just exploded in your head. No pain, just a loud sound inside your brain that wasn't actually real. This creepy glitch is called exploding head syndrome. And no, your head isn't actually exploding, but it sure feels like it for a second. Some people hear a bang, others hear a snap, a door slam, or even a loud hum. It usually happens when you're just about to fall asleep. Scientists think it might be your brain trying to shut down, but something short circuits, like your mind hits the off switch, then flips it back on and yells, wait, for no reason. And here's the freaky part. It's common. Tons of people have it, but most don't even talk about it. There's no real cure, no warning, just you, your brain, and a random mental jump scare. Number 6. Smelling something that isn't there. Ever catch a whiff of something weird? Like burning toast, or perfume, or something rotten, but no one else smells it? That's phantasmia, also known as an olfactory hallucination. And yeah, it's as strange as it sounds. Your brain creates a smell out of thin air. No actual scent, No trigger, just your neurons acting like there's a stink emergency. Sometimes it's harmless. Stress, lack of sleep, or just a random glitch. But here's the wild part. Some of these smells come with no cause at all. Doctors still don't fully know why it happens. One theory? Your brain is misfiring in the same way it sees faces that aren't real. But this time, it's smell. Another? Early warning sign for things like migraines or even neurological issues. But often, it's just your nose going rogue. You're not crazy. Your brain's just throwing mystery scents at you like it's testing your reaction. Number 7. The phantom heartbeat. You're lying in bed, dead quiet. And suddenly you feel your heartbeat pulsing in your ear, your head, your throat, like your body turned into a drum. This isn't a horror movie effect. It's called pulsatile tinnitus, and science still doesn't totally get it. Sometimes it's blood moving too close to your ear canal. Other times, it shows up when your blood pressure changes, like your body's turning the volume up for no reason. And here's what's creepy. Doctors can sometimes hear it with a stethoscope, and sometimes they can't. It comes and goes. It's loud or soft. There's no rule. For some people, it only happens when they lie on one side. Others say it feels like their heartbeat is echoing through their skull. It's like your body's reminding you, hey, you're alive, for now. Number 8, the bone-cracking mystery. You stretch your back. Pop. You twist your fingers. Crack. Super satisfying. But what's actually happening in there? Turns out, scientists still don't fully agree. One theory says it's gas bubbles forming and popping in your joint fluid. Another says it's tendons snapping over bones. And some researchers argue it's a combo of both, like a weird joint thunderstorm. Here's what's freaky. Some people crack their knuckles constantly. Others barely can at all. And nobody really knows why only some joints do it. Even weirder? X-rays show the pop happening before the bubble even forms. So, is it the bubble? The pressure? The movement? It's one of those everyday things your body does that still stumps science. Satisfying? Absolutely. Explained? Not really. Number 9. The why am I bleeding blue illusion. Ever looked at your veins and thought, wait, is my blood actually blue? It looks that way, right? Especially through pale skin. But here's the weird thing. Your blood is always red. Science knows that. But what it doesn't fully understand is why your eyes and brain keep lying about it. The common belief is light scattering, skin thickness, oxygen levels, blah blah. But even with all those factors, researchers can't totally agree on why we see it as blue. It's like your brain is running your vision through a weird color filter. Your body's telling the truth, but your eyes keep showing you a lie. And get this, if blood ever was actually blue, that would mean no oxygen in it. AKA, you'd be dead. So yeah, you're alive. Your blood's red, but your brain keeps painting it blue, and no one knows exactly why. So here's the question. If your body's hiding this much from you, what else is going on inside you, right now, that no one has discovered yet? If weird science is your thing, there's way more where this came from. Hit subscribe. We're just getting started.